Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Danske Bank Review My Usage Experience. Danske Bank Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive overview of your Danske Bank transactions and account activity. It's primarily aimed at Danske Bank customers who want a clear and detailed picture of their financial activity. Key features likely include transaction history viewing, account balance summaries, and possibly tools for budgeting or financial planning. Their website provides details on specific features. Their website details the various reporting options and tools available. It emphasizes ease of use and secure access to your financial information. Pricing is included within standard banking fees. There are no hidden fees or additional charges for using this service. The service is available to all Danske Bank online banking customers. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Danske Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged into my online banking account and found the review section immediately. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I could easily filter transactions by date, amount, and even pay. I found this particularly useful when trying to track down a specific payment. The performance was consistently reliable, the data loaded quickly, and I never experienced any glitches or errors. I had a quick question about downloading a specific report, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email. Excellent service. I was really impressed by how customizable the reports are. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to export data to a spreadsheet for further analysis. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, though this is a relatively small inconvenience given the ease of use on desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Danske Bank Review My Usage Experience. It's a simple yet powerful tool that provides a clear and insightful look at my finances. That's my overview of Danske Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.